Crash Course on Peru, Machu Picchu. Perched high in the Andes Mountains, Machu Picchu is one of the most iconic archaeological sites in the world. This ancient Incan city, enveloped by mist and surrounded by majestic peaks, continues to captivate the imagination of travelers from all corners of the globe. In this crash course, we will delve into the fascinating history of Machu Picchu, share intriguing stories and examples, list and describe the top 12 attractions within this awe-inspiring site, and conclude with a heartfelt poem and a melodic song that pay homage to the magic of Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu, meaning Old Mountain in Quechua, was constructed by the Inca Empire around the 15th century and remained hidden from the outside world until its rediscovery in 1911 by Hiram Bingham, an American explorer. The ancient city's purpose and the reason behind its abandonment are still subjects of scholarly debate, adding an air of mystery and intrigue to its allure. One of the fascinating stories surrounding Machu Picchu is the ingenious engineering techniques employed by the Incas to construct this remarkable site. The city was built without the use of wheels or iron tools, and the stones were carefully shaped and fitted together with such precision that they have withstood the test of time and numerous earthquakes. The agricultural terraces, which served as both a means of growing crops and as a structural reinforcement, showcase the Incas' mastery of harmonizing nature and architecture. As you explore Machu Picchu, be prepared to be transported to another time. Here are the top 12 attractions within this magnificent site. 1. Intihuatana, also known as the hitching post of the sun, this stone structure served as an astronomical observatory and is believed to have been an important spiritual site for the Incas. 2. Temple of the Sun, this sacred temple was dedicated to the sun god Inti and features intricate stonework and windows that align with the solstices and equinoxes. 3. Temple of the Three Windows, admire the trapezoidal windows that showcase the Incas' remarkable masonry skills and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. 4. The Main Plaza, the heart of Machu Picchu, this vast open space was likely used for ceremonies and gatherings and offers a breathtaking backdrop of the surrounding mountains. 5. Intipunku, also known as the Sun Gate, this viewpoint marks the entrance to Machu Picchu for those who completed the Inca Trail. It offers a stunning panoramic view of the site. 6. Temple of the Condor, marvel at the natural rock formation that resembles a condor's wingspan and discover the intricate carvings that depict the sacred bird. 7. Royal Tomb, although it is uncertain whether it was used as a tomb, this structure with its distinctive trapezoidal shape provides insights into the Incas' burial rituals and beliefs. 8. The Sacred Rock, this massive rock is said to have been a symbol of worship and reverence, representing the connection between the earth and the spiritual realm. 9. Agricultural terraces, explore the impressive agricultural terraces that were ingeniously designed to maximize farming efficiency and withstand the region's steep slopes. 10. The Quarry, discover the source of the stones used in Machu Picchu's construction and gain a deeper appreciation for the labor-intensive process involved in building the site. 11. Temple of the Moon, located in the lush Huayna Picchu mountain, this sacred temple offers a more secluded and spiritual experience, with intricate stone carvings and underground passages. 12. Inca Bridge, for the adventurous souls, visit the Inca Bridge, a suspended pathway carved into a sheer cliffside that served as a secret entrance to Machu Picchu. In summary, Machu Picchu stands as a testament to the ingenuity and grandeur of the Inca civilization. Its awe-inspiring beauty, ancient mysteries, and breathtaking surroundings make it a bucket list destination for travelers around the world. As you wander through the remnants of this once thriving city, you can't help but feel a profound sense of wonder and reverence for the incredible achievements of the Inca people. Now, let us celebrate the magnificence of Machu Picchu with a heartfelt poem and a melodic song. Poem. In the heart of the Andes, where mountains touch the sky, Machu Picchu, a marvel, stands silent and high. Whispers of the Inca, echoes of the past. A mystical city, a treasure meant to last. Intihuatana, a hitching post for the sun. Temple of the Sun, where ancient rituals were done. Windows to the heavens, where solstices align. A testament to craftsmanship, frozen in time. Chorus. O Machu Picchu, a wonder to behold. In the sacred mountains, your stories unfold. Ancient mysteries etched in stone. In this lost city, we find a home. Main Plaza, bustling with life and cheer. Intipunku, where the Incas would appear. Temple of the Condor, wings spread wide. Royal tomb, where secrets hide. Chorus. O Machu Picchu, a wonder to behold. In the sacred mountains, your stories unfold. Ancient mysteries etched in stone. In this lost city, we find a home. Bridge. The sacred rock, a symbol of devotion. Agricultural terraces, nature's devotion. The quarry, where stones were hewn. Temple of the Moon, beneath the crescent moon. Inca Bridge, a path suspended in air. Where adventure beckons, for the brave to dare. Machu Picchu, a treasure untold. A journey to the past, a story to behold. Chorus. O Machu Picchu, a wonder to behold. In the sacred mountains, your stories unfold. Ancient mysteries etched in stone. In this lost city, we find a home. Song. Verse 1. In the land of the Incas, where legends reside, Machu Picchu stands, with its beauty untied. A city forgotten, then found once again. A testament to history, a treasure to retain. Chorus. O Machu Picchu, majestic and grand. A glimpse into the past, as time's shifting sand. The Intihuatana, a celestial embrace. Where the sun's rays dance, with ethereal grace. Verse 2. The Temple of the Sun, a celestial shrine. Reflects the Inca's reverence, for the divine. The Temple of the Three Windows, open wide. Frames nature's splendor, with breathtaking pride. Bridge. The main plaza's expanse, a gathering place. Where Inca voices echoed, in joy and in grace. From Intipunku's vista, a panoramic sight. Machu Picchu emerges, bathed in golden light. Chorus. O Machu Picchu, majestic and grand. A glimpse into the past, as time's shifting sand. The Temple of the Condor, soaring above. A symbol of freedom, an embodiment of love. Verse 3. The royal tomb whispers, secrets untold. As stories of the past, in silence, unfold. The sacred rock stands, a guardian sublime. Connecting earth and sky, for all of time. Bridge. Agricult. Ural terraces, a feat of the land. Where the Incas' toil nurtured, nature's helping hand. The quarry, a testament to strength and might. Providing the stones that shaped Machu Picchu's light. Chorus. O Machu Picchu, majestic and grand. A glimpse into the past, as time's shifting sand. The Temple of the Moon, hidden away. Reveals ancient wisdom, in shadows that sway. Outro. Machu Picchu, a marvel of the ages. Imbued with history, on history's pages. A place of wonder, where dreams come alive. A journey to the past, where memories thrive. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.